What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has surprisingly been performing very well over the last couple of weeks, as you guys can see, heading upwards, and right now it is at its highest it's been over the last month and currently trading at 0.022356 cents and has pumped up just over 10% in the last 24 hours. So at the moment it is performing very well. Over the last week it has pumped up 20% and over the month 27%. It's not major, but that's the whole point. It is slowly and steadily heading upwards, which means it's much more sustainable and quite realistic as well, and likely to last longer in that direction. So we're going to be going through the usuals, looking at, is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, Jasmy has officially pumped back up into the top tier level and is heading higher and higher up, which again is a very good sign, and it is getting very close to hitting a new all-time high for 2024. I'm not saying a new all-time high overall, just for this year guys. It is getting closer and closer, and potentially will do so over the coming weeks and coming months later on the year. But as you guys can see, overall the crypto has bounced back up, which I did predict in my previous updates on Jasmy back in April when the crypto was dropping in value. My expectations were it is likely to hit the resistance target and bounce back up, and that is exactly what's happened. So for now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They are not looking too steep either, meaning it is much more realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto is likely to trade at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, nothing too crazy, potentially heading just over 0.0245 cents in value is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by midday tomorrow. But again, do expect it to hit red candles in between as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking much more bullish, heading upwards towards the positive direction. However, it is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, so I'm not expecting it to pump up that much, or as it seems like in the chart. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Getting closer to the 3 cents target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at in early June to mid-June. So over the next week or two, it should be heading near about the 3 cents target. However, Jasmy is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So if you guys want to keep them coming, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But at the moment, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Jasmy. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again We still have both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, and the graph are not looking too steep like the previous chart, meaning this is much more realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially getting over the 4 cents target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at. Reason being is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving in a bullish direction, with Bitcoin heading over $85,000 over the next 2 to 3 months, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. However, this is my predictions as of right now. You guys know how the crypto market is and how volatile it is. So again, if there are any major updates to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as I explained at the beginning of the video, the crypto is currently trading in the top tier level, and I'm not expecting it for it to drop back down into the blue zone. The only time it would essentially do that is if there is a little crash in the crypto market and so on, which I'm not expecting at the moment. However, if I am, then I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So heading into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over near about 400% in the last 24 hours, making it over $170 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is quite obvious here. The crypto has pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours and it's still ongoing right now, meaning a lot more people have been trading Jasmycoin, with a lot more buyers and a lot more sellers, which in return is also helping the value of Jasmy pump up higher than where it is at the moment. And as you guys saw over the week and over the month, the crypto has been performing quite well, even though we did see quite a little bit of a dip in mid to late April. Right now it has slowly started to recover, just like the crypto market, and it is still on its way to recovery. But yeah, at the moment the crypto has been performing very well. Can Jasmy essentially hit the 10 cents target later on in 2024? A highly asked questions in my DMs and my videos as well. Guys, for it to hit 10 cents, it will require a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy at the moment. I'm expecting a slow and steady increase. 5 to 6 cents is what I'm expecting Jasmy to head up to towards the very end of the year. However, 10 cents is a target which would have to be for next year is what my expectations are. But let me know how high you guys are expecting Jasmy to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.